Cheesy Hot Dog Tots are a cheesy, savoury and fun new twist on tater tot casserole and chili hot dogs. Sliced hot dogs, chili, tater tots and cheddar cheese are combined to make this easy and delicious meal. Mix 500 grams of grated potato, 200 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of oregano, garlic powder and dried basil, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper in a large bowl. Once completely mixed, set the mixture aside. Lay a slice of cheddar cheese and roll a hot dog up inside it. Then carefully slice the wrap into small pieces. Take a small handful of potato mix and press it out in your hand. Place a wrap into the centre and fold the potato mix up into a parcel, covering all the cheese. Repeat this several times, then cook them all in a deep pan of hot oil. Remember to turn the tots while they're cooking for an even crispy coating. Once golden brown, you can serve them up with some of your favourite sauce for dipping. A really fun snack.